Hi guys, in today's video, I am showing you how to block a LinkedIn account. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your LinkedIn application. Once it will be open, then go to that account that you want to block. For example, just for showing you, I want to block this account, Anjum Faisal. Just tap on this account. Next, tap on these three dots. And from these options here is the option, Report or Block. Tap on it. Next, tap on the first option, Block Anjum Faisal. Then simply tap on Block, and as you can see, Anjum Faisal is blocked. So it was the simple and easiest way in which you can block a LinkedIn account. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.